Hey Jerry, it's time for dinner and a movie.
All right.
And we're doing some final tests tonight on the cornbread under pressure. I had to throw some jalapenos in it and see if that would work out. And I tried an alternative flour. We've got a great gluten-free version for those of you that can't have wheat, but there's also, I was testing one more just to see. Why not? Recipe post tonight at midnight, so I'm always just tweaking and tweaking just to be sure, even though this recipe is perfect gluten-free or with gluten. Two versions already on there for you. And tonight we're trying out some new potatoes. These will be a fall recipe, hopefully. They're a cheesy baked potato.
I can't wait.
Jerry's up for testing that. And of course, I'm going to put my probiotic pepper sauce on those cheesy potatoes. There's some kale in there too. We have our blue chai and, of course, our peaty slaw sauce that goes so good on any cruciferous vegetable. This one's cabbage. We've got carrots. I've got some arugula down below, some red bell pepper for the sweet slaw. I'm going to add some ruby rock kraut to it because I want to get my functional foods in there too. Not that all of these aren't functional and full of protective ingredients. Some barbecue cauliflower that I tossed in the probiotic pepper sauce for buffalo cauliflower, buttermilk ranch. These are some purple potatoes that I picked up yesterday, and I tossed those in the probiotic pepper sauce to make buffalo potatoes after I grilled them. And some cucumbers and celery to dip to cool things off. And then we have our tuber tonics that I spiked with the chocolate. So this is like a cup of cacao, but I use the base of the tuber tonic in there. I'll show you how to make those. And here's mine. That's to warm us up. It's cooling off a little bit outside in San Diego tonight. I hope you're eating as well as we are on a protective diet. Take care and best of health.